雅贤夹着声音唱 rap， 第一遍差点没听出来是谁，还好音色足够有辨识度。先来听听正常情况下的雅贤唱 rap。Copy
wanna beat me but you're never gonna dare eating my leftovers I left over what's left over like rain come and get close so we take over that day。
这是夹着声音唱 rap 的雅贤，好甜的声线。
But I wouldn't do. I should go make a monster shot. It's true, so different from the usual. They're every kind of beautiful. My heart's running out of room.
说实话，你第一次听的时候，能听出是雅贤的声音吗？这两者的反差简直了，你更喜欢哪个呢？